Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River. Last year, I wasn't doing videos on unboxings, but I did purchase the 2023 Jolly Box from the Fat Quarter Shop, and I've actually never really used anything that's in it. And I just ordered the new one for this year, for 2024. So I would like to show you what is inside of this box from last year. And of course, there was a coupon, which is no longer any good. But every time you get a box, usually from the Fat Quarter Shop, there is some kind of a special, whether it's this was 20% off or something free. So you always want to make sure you check that. I did open it before, so I do know kind of what's in here. I just haven't done anything with it. There was all these beautiful Christmas fabrics, which I need to start working on now. This would be the perfect time to do something. Let's see what all is in here. Okay, this was Christmas Candy Dish Holiday Cheer Fat Quarter Bundle by My Mind's Eye for Riley Blake Designs. Beautiful fabrics. Got a feeling they are fat quarters. I can get more part. There we go. Yep, they're fat quarters. Which is probably why I folded them like that. I know you're supposed to say the fabric for last, but I already had them open. So you get to see it right now. And I'll show a better picture of them close up. Okay, also, there was a Christmas crackers, and this is by Bowen, I guess. And when you open it up, there's some little Christmas pins. They are red and green. And some needles for hand stitching. And what to say? These crackers are the perfect gift to surprise and delight all quilters and sewists. Made in France. The Bowen Christmas crackers are a scrumptious combination of two of Bowen's best offerings, an assorted set of 23.9 hand sewing needles and 80 red and green Murano glass head bead pins. Cute. They're also, let's see. There is a little charm enamel zipper pull. It's a zipper pull to put on. I might use these and make a little bag. That would be cute. And there's also a spool of Aurifil Thread, and it's the large size. I really like this size. So this is great. This is your, what is this, a 40 weight? 50 weight. This is 50 weight. And we have a pattern for Christmas Candy Dish. And this is a quilt from the Fat Quarter Shop. And it looks cute. Oh, there it is. There's a real good picture of it. That's cute. There was also, with this fabric, this is from June Taylor, and it's the Jolly Gingerbread pot holders. Quilt as you go. So with that, there are also two pre-cut little gingerbread men from AccuQuilt. And the directions for it. You can see that. They are really cute. There is enough to make two of them. This is really nice. So I think that's about it. Like I said, I've ordered the one for this year, and I'm anxious to get it. But I just wanted to show you what was in last year's box. Thank you. Hard to believe I've never opened that. This is the Quilt As You Go Jolly Gingerbread pot holders and all these beautiful fabrics from Riley Blake.